She's asleep now, so now we have to open her up. Oh, I think I have the wrong size screwdriver.
So today we are helping a very hurt bird with my sister here.
Yeah, she is
Say
very
hi.
hurt. It's
Say
definitely
hi,
a real
Mia.
bird. Hello. It's definitely a real bird.
Okay. We are helping out this poor bird.
Yep, definitely a real bird.
Definitely a real bird. Definitely. This is my dog right here. She is very cute. Bye bye. Good job. Okay. Wait.
Good smell.
We are gonna take. Hey. We're just going to go right here because there's more lights. Put her down right
What are you
there.
doing? Mel, stop. Hands up. Put the bird back.
Definitely will put someone else.
No,
Okay, so we are waiting for this to be done. I will go prepare the. Let's go prepare the clay.
all right.
We are going to the kitchen and gonna to prepare the clay. With that knife. You guys, you know that air dry clay is very hard. So we're just gonna fill this up kind of.
I filled it up and
Put it, swish it all around. We're gonna swish it all around. Now we're gonna dump the water out. It looks like milk. So we must do. We're gonna you actually. I'm not that high. We are gonna just wash our hands. You always get your hands wet. And then you just mush. You take a little piece of clay. Okay? You take a little piece of clay.
Mel, what did I say about making the wing?
I'm preparing the clay.
No, I'm doing stomach surgery and she needs you there.
No, I'm preparing the clay. With
Yeah,
the,
you don't need to do that. I'm not even making it. And I don't even eat it, but you can never try.
we are just gonna mold this really hard. Squish it around. This clay is very hard, so we are gonna get our hands wet, get this all wet. And we are gonna mold it. You might need a towel for this to wipe off your hands because this is very. Don't want to get clay on the camera. Now we are just gonna mush this oil around as hard as you can. It's not this hard, just this is very hard. So we are just gonna mush it all around like this. Now we need. Now we're just gonna wash our hands. Get this very wet. If this is old air dry clay, you have to get very wet. And it'll soon be really soft. And you have to like push it around, squish it, and then it'll be soft and like kind of like slime. Just not as gooey and slimy and sticky. It'll be pretty soon. Then and you'll have good nice clay, air dry clay. And then you can wipe off your hands, your wet hands, with a towel. And keep on doing that over and over again, and it'll finally work. We are just gonna squish it around more and we are gonna gamble. We are just gonna get a little bit. You're getting a cup, you're filling it up with water, and then we can put your clay in there. It'll sit, and it will, when the clay's done over here, you put it in a cup, put water in that cup so it doesn't get hard again. But make sure you watch it so it doesn't get hard. Now we're gonna try make this identical. So there's a gem, a heart gem. So that's what this little piece is for. Alright, we're just gonna wash our hands again because they kind of get white a lot. Alright, so. Okay,
I'm gonna need a scalpel.
No knife.
I'm cutting open.
Oh,
It's a serious surgery now. Come on, I need you. You're good with the clay, so let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa.
Put that back in. That's smoking. Okay, so we are going to the very serious surgery. She is cutting open the stomach.
Using the scalpel. Or at least attempting to.
Okay, we are not watching this anymore. Okay, you guys should not watch it because this is a real bird.
Back here.
This is a real bird.
They can handle it.
Okay.
And no, it's not a real bird.
Oh,
Duh. No, we were not hiding anything.
yes, we were.
Sure we were. Okay.
There you go, guys.
Clear this up. It's very messy.